Hey guys, it's Caché. Welcome back to my channel. So, I look kind of crazy right now. I know, but it's okay. That is because I'm going to be washing my hair and giving you the whole run through of my wash day routine. I actually don't do that much because I'm lazy, mostly, but let's get started. So what I'm gonna do first is just take out my hair. You guys are gonna see how crusty it looks. I went to the beach and dipped my hair in a little bit and it's looking like this. So what I'm gonna do first is I have this coconut oil. It's like just 100% coconut oil, but I use it for my hair, and I warmed it up in a pot with some hot water, and I'm just gonna do a little mini hot oil treatment before I start. And this is gonna be like my pre-poo-ish. So yeah, all I'm gonna do is let's split my hair and run it all over my scalp and try not to burn myself. So I just put a bunch in my hand. I'm gonna just massage it into my scalp too. And don't mind me looking over here, my mirror is there. Make sure you really massage that in, because massaging your scalp actually really helps promote hair growth too, especially with hot oil treatments. It also just helps your scalp be more hydrated. If you're someone like me who has very dry scalp, this is essential. And feel free to use whatever oil you have or that you like. I know for a couple of years I did not like coconut oil because, well, actually I liked it and then I didn't like it and then I like it again. But depending on the oil, sometimes you just gotta find what works best for you. Now once I do that, I'm just gonna run a little bit of oil all throughout my hair. Split it in half again and just rub it through. And yeah, I actually don't do like little parts or anything like that, as I probably should, mostly because I have not had the patience to. But this has been working fine for me recently. Of course, do more sections if you feel it's necessary. And really get your ends. Ooh, I'm making a mess. Really get your ends. Because of course it's the driest part of your hair and the oldest part of your hair too. Gonna need a little extra love. Okay, that was step one. So now I'm gonna just let this sit in my hair for maybe 30 minutes. I don't want to spend all day doing my hair. So I'm gonna wait about 30 minutes. Usually I do probably an hour or so, but this is a really chill, relaxed wash day. So I'm gonna cut it a little bit shorter. So boom, tying it up right back in a little bun. I'm gonna let that sit for a bit and I'll get back to you guys. Right, so here I am. I'm in the shower now and I had the coconut oil in my hair for about 30 minutes. I'm gonna start by wetting up my hair a little bit so it's easier to work with. Now I'm just going in with the Love Beauty and Planet shampoo. This is just the lavender scented one. And I'm starting off just scrubbing my scalp, massaging it in, making sure that I get every inch because I do get a lot of product buildup. I don't really drag it down to my ends too much. I mostly let that happen while I'm rinsing, as you can see. Once I'm done rinsing that out, I go in with my Jamaican black castor oil strengthen and restore mask from Shea Moisture. Here I am just parting my hair in half because it's a little bit easier to work with, and then detangling starting from the tip going up to the roots. Now I usually don't use conditioner on my wash days unless my hair is like super tangled and I want to detangle it beforehand, but other than that I usually just go straight from shampooing to deep conditioning. Okay, so once I'm done with that, all I do is tie my hair into a bun, and then I will secure it, put a shower cap on, and wait about 15 minutes. Usually I'll do longer, but it honestly depends on the day. Since this is very chill, I'm just gonna do 15, come back, and rinse it out for you. And when I rinse it out, I do not rinse the deep conditioner entirely. I leave about maybe 10% of product left in my hair just so it still feels nice and moisturized. Alright guys, so that is it. I finished washing my hair and deep conditioning it, and it actually feels a lot better. It was really dry earlier and now it just feels a lot more moisturized. I don't have any product in it right now. And usually what I would do now is just my regular wash and go curly routine. I have one on my channel already if you guys want to see that. And then I have another one coming up soon. I'm actually not doing one right now because I'm going to be driving back up to New York and I figure I might as well just have my hair in some braids. So that's what I'm going to do. But thank you guys so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends. And I'll see you next time. Bye!